All right, good morning, everybody. So today, Monday, is my day off. It may not be your day off. You're getting ready to go to work, right? So I think I might do a half up, half down kind of look today from our messiness that we had yesterday. We'll see how I feel. I always let my hair tell me what we're going to do today because I'm obviously not the boss. But we will back comb and tease this area. Little Amy Winehouse action today. That's how we're feeling. Gotta get that bump. See how nice that forms. Just that little back combing. Just pin it in. I crisscross these because I'm going to cover it with my sides when I go back. Just pull my sides back into it. Did a little comb action from the crazy waves yesterday. Pull it out just a smidge because you want it to blend with your bump. Leave some of that out. You might need to pull some of those little pieces out. So take this. Back. It's already coming together, ladies. Okay. You could leave it down if you wanted to leave it down, but this kind of just feels like a mess to me, and I need to do something with this bang. Obviously throw some curls in it or something. It's not too bad, but so you could French roll this back part up. The chignon French roll. Taking it back, ladies. I'm bringing it back. And now I don't have a claw clip to clip my French roll in. I use bobby pins. You need a lot when you're doing the French roll. Just to make sure you roll it. I'm gonna pin the roll in. I gotta feel everything. I only look in the mirror at the end and then say, oh my God, what the heck? I was like a mess. Just start it over. Right? And then with this hair, I just like to leave it. freeze and shine it, of course. With the bang, let's get our flat iron out and try to smooth it or do something. You could probably, if you want to pin your bang, you could pin it, but I like the 80s, not the 90s. Flatten it out. It might help if it was on. I have that issue all the time, right? Sorry, ladies, I'm sorry. I will get it together, I promise. It doesn't take that long to heat up. These little Babby Bliss flat irons, they be working quick. Promise I will get my life together and color my roots one day. We'll do it in little sections here. When you hold it up in the air, whoo, those roots kicking, aren't they? Alright. Hopefully last section. Maybe I lied. See, it's not always fast and easy for me either, ladies. Sometimes my hair wants to be an asshole too, okay? If you thought it was just you, it's not. It's hard trying to switch up these styles and have a different style all the time, right? I know, I'm sorry. But we're gonna do it, right? Alright. By George, I think we've got it. Swoop bang. Gonna have to pin this and freeze and shine it. Look what happened. Our little piece from over here decided to float over. No floaters. Stay on your side. Stay in your lane. Just freeze and shine. And once that bang is freeze and shine and set, then I'll take that pin out and it'll be a nice swoop for the day. But there you go. There's our little Monday updo. Ooh, I look like somebody's secretary. You better watch out, ladies. Looking like a secretary from Microsoft. Hello, you can phone call on line 1. So that was easy, right? Simple little updo. Got you a little volume. Did the little French twist in the back. Left it down. Super cute. Way to go, ladies. We made it through another day. It's a new week. All right, so glad to have you guys with me. If you liked, press the like button, subscribe, tell your friends. Thank you for watching. This week is going to be a great one. I can feel it.